be for later. It's gonna be for later. Ooh, no, you know what's gonna be for later? We're gonna start this way, I guess. I am definitely, there's not much left. This is Port Charlotte, Brooklady. You know why? Because it's a special occasion. What's a special occasion? What is a special occasion? It's my birthday.
It's Doug's birthday.
It is my birthday. I'm excited. Even though we have to stay at home and do the thing, I thought, what do I want to cook on my birthday? My favorite breakfast item. Sausage balls. Sausage balls. Or what we're going to call them, Doug's birthday balls. Get ready. You got to use your hands. Okay, so it's very simple to make. You can do this really easily with stuff for your pantry. Easy stuff from the store. 2 cups of Bisquick goes into. Whoop, get in there. Thank you, Otis. 2 cups of Bisquick, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 1 pound breakfast sausage.
The ground stuff in the tube.
That's it, tubular. Then, I'm sorry to say, it's gonna take like 10 minutes to do it right. Hands, I took off my ring, go right in here. The hands go right in here. And you've just gotta start. I wash my hands, it's all good. And we'll do this until it just looks like a all combined dough. It feels a little strange, but they taste good. By doing it this way, the heat from your hands will start to break down the sausage just a little bit, and the juices from that will soak up the Bisquick and the cheese, and it doesn't need any extra binder. So doing this by hand, it's just like having a sausage biscuit and a meatball. Easy peasy. I will cut to when this is all ready to go, because you don't need to see me do this for 10 minutes. So go have a beer or a cocktail and come back and see what's happening with my balls. This is my workout for the day. I can't sing that high. Anyway, we are about done. See what this looks like now? I guess you can make one big meatball with that, but we're gonna make balls out of it. And what I like to do with these to kick it up a notch is just use a little bit of maple syrup. You can also use honey, you can use molasses. This is just what we have in the pantry. I'm eyeballing about 2 tablespoons. And and then you can just reincorporate that, and it'll give it a little bit of maple syrup flavor. If you're looking for a sausage McGriddle and a meatball. When I can, I like to use spicy sausage. The spicy sausage mixed with the maple syrup makes for a really good ball. This is now kind of mapley and a little slimy now. Yep. You can
fun noises right now.
You can hear it, right? Don't add the maple syrup first. Don't add it at the beginning. Only add it here. It won't work right if you do it before everything's put together. So from here, we're going to form these into just little meatballs. Way over town.
So does it matter what size?
Not really. Just kind of Once you pick a size, try to make them all generally the same. You want them to cook about the same amount of time. I may have over mapled these a little bit. They're going to be extra yummy. Yeah, I got a little happy with the maple syrup. So these will be a fun batch. I make these like for church whenever we have potlucks. Whenever we have potlucks and I show up, people ask me, Doug, where are your balls? Did you bring them? Yeah, I brought a double batch. Like it's weird on Easter. People are thankful that Jesus rose and they're happy that I brought my balls to the potluck. Every year.
It's true.
No one can resist my breakfast balls. And we'll just make the balls and put them on the pan here until we're out of the dough, and they're going to go into a 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes. Check them at 20. They may need a little bit more, but they'll be ready to eat. These can last you like 3, 4, 5 days. So if you make a batch on Sunday, you grab 2 or 3 in the morning each day on the go. They're great cold.
Oh my God, I love them cold.
The next day, sometimes like on Sundays, we'll make a batch of these and just use them for breakfast on the go when we know we're having a busy week. Mm-hmm. Just grab a few and off you go.
Yep.
Yeah. So we'll I'll show you what they look like once they get done cooking. It has been about 20 minutes. The timer just went off. My balls are ready, I think. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's what they look like. Yep. Little bit crunchy, caramelized on the bottom there. Yeah. All right.
So that's from the maple syrup, yeah.
Yep. That's what makes it good. That's it, y'all. You come out, you can make them a little smaller, you make them a little bigger. The cheese that I like to use, sometimes it's cheddar, sometimes it's Colby Jack. The finer the cheese, the more it'll incorporate.
When you say finer, you mean like
the finer cut. Yeah.
Finer cut. Got it.
Yeah, but see, they're still too hot to.
You could grate your own. We have not done that. We usually just get the stuff in the package.
I know some people that even use cream cheese as part of the mixture. As long as it's about 2 cups of cheese, I think you're okay. Oh, yep, they're great hot, or put them in the fridge and eat on them the rest of the week.
If you like them extra mapley, you can dip them in maple syrup too.
Ooh.
I may have done that before.
Put that in like a breakfast burrito with onions and like eggs.
That works.
Now I'm hungry for that.
Crumble them up.
All right, so from this birthday boy, I hope you enjoy my balls.
Out of your balls. Never mind, I'm not going there. I can't do it.